national and international guests, distinguished delegates, friends from the media, ladies and gentlemen. Very warm welcome to all of you, including virtual participants, to this 2 days virtual international conference and exhibition India Telecom 2021, organized by Telecom Equipment and Services Export Promotion Council, that is TEPC. It is a pleasure for me to inaugurate another promising edition of India Telecom, an exclusive international business expo being organized by TEPC, where we all come together to strengthen our business relations. The government has been striving to fulfill Honorable Prime Minister's vision of Digital India, which will bridge the digital divide in the country by uniting urban India and rural Bharat, foster financial inclusion by making critical services available to everyone remotely, and provide connectivity to the very last mile. We have seen the power of connectivity during pandemic COVID-19. This sector has been the biggest contributor to fight coronavirus by leveraging digital technology and a coordinated global digital response to fight the pandemic. Excellencies and friends, India holds the distinction of being the fastest growing telecom network in the world. Indian telecom industry is making this possible with potential and hardworking manufacturers, exporters, service providers of India, who work rigorously to produce world-class products and services that use the best technology, providing highest in quality and at competitive tariffs. The ICT sector has been the major driver for the economic growth world over, including India. Today, India has all the ingredients of a globally competitive telecom industry: large domestic market, world-class talent, focus on R&D and IPR creation, and a robust framework for electronic manufacturing. Indian manufacturers have already made significant strides in the export of IT and telecom products to several countries. Indian IT and telecom products are of world-class quality and are globally competitive in technology and price. I strongly believe that the vast experience gained by Indian in setting up of ICT infrastructure can be leveraged by governments as well as the private business enterprises. This event is for sharing our ideas on innovation, our best practices, and also our common dreams, which can make our people healthy and prosperous. Excellencies and friends, we have to work together to take this to new heights where remote and hilly areas will all be connected. In order to boost ITE's BPO industry in India, new guidelines for other service providers have been issued, by which registration requirements for OSPs have been done away with altogether, along with several other compliances. This will promote work from home or work from anywhere in India. I would like to thank our visionary Honorable Prime Minister for completely opening up this sector. Now, you all can set up offices in India and work from anywhere. To support our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji's goal of Atmanirbhar Bharat, self-reliant India, and create employment opportunities for the youth, the government has announced production-linked incentive scheme for various sectors, including telecom sector, which will boost economic growth. This doesn't mean isolation, but in simple terms, becoming part of global supply chain. India offers improved investment climate, growing market, a large pool of talent, and improved profitable destination for investment. I am sure that this event will attract many more investors and manufacturers to India to come and explore the innumerable opportunities that the country has on offer. I am optimistic that our respective telecom, ICT industries will be in forefront of facilitating the ICT dreams of our citizens. I wholeheartedly wish the India Telecom 2021 a great success. Now I inaugurate the India Telecom 2021 and I wish all of you all the best for it and also wishing for great success of this event. Thank you. Jai Hind. Namaskar.